I was like, since she wasn't big enough for it, I was like, well, we'll put it under the tree, and this will be like another big Christmas thing.
Yeah. Hey, sweetie. You having fun? Are you having fun, sweetie? Yes, you are. That is just so cute. How adorable is that? Every time I try to take a picture, she turns her head.